In this video, we are going to talk about the global settings of PDF Viewer for WordPress. So when you first come to global settings, you will see the Welcome tab. You will see all the important links and videos in this page. This video will demonstrate how to use PDF Viewer for WordPress. Also, there is demo, documentation, video documentation and support portal links. Also here, you will see all the latest blog updates from Theme and Code. And then in the later part you can sign up for Theme and Code newsletter, which is quite good, and you can get a lot of information about WordPress and many other things from this newsletter. So let's move on. Now when you come to automatic display, you will see the automatic display and the link target. We have talked about this in our previous video. You can check this out. It will turn all the .pdf links of your WordPress website into a embedded PDF or a link with a text that is opened by PDF Viewer for WordPress. And the link target will make sure is the link opening in the new tab or in the same tab. Select as your own choice. Then the general settings. In the general settings, you can upload your logo. Here just click on upload, select your logo and select. Your logo will be uploaded and click save. What this will do, it will show your logo in the viewer page. You can see my logo is shown here. Then you can upload your fav icon. Your fav icon will be shown on your viewer page as well. Now the third option is full screen link test. Full screen link test is shown where the iframe shortcut is used. You can see if in a page I have embedded a PDF or used the iframe tag, then I can see the full screen mode text, which can be changed from here. If we write check full screen and click save, and when we reload this tab, you can see the full screen mode link will be changed into check full screen. Then the return to link text. Here you can put this text which will be shown in the full screen mode PDF viewer page. You can see the return to site button. All the viewer page will have a return to site button. You can change the return to site text from here. Now you can put Google Analytics ID, which looks like this here, to see the performance of your viewer page. Let me tell you, it will only work on the viewer pages. Mobile iframe height is set to 400px by default. You can change it according to your need. Also, the iframe responsive fix is turned on. You can turn it off or on to make sure about the responsiveness. Then the appearance tab. In the appearance tab, you can see the theme and custom color. There are 5 predefined themes that comes with PDF Viewer for WordPress: Aqua White, Material Blue, Midnight Calm, Smart Red and Louis Purple. You can choose any one from there. I have selected Midnight Calm. If I select Aqua White and then save and then reload my viewer page, you can see it has turned into white mode, which is quite good. So you can select anyone you like. Also the custom color is very unique, that you can color your own viewer with your own band colors. There are 3 options to put the colors: the primary color, secondary color and text color. Also the icon style can be dark or light as you need. I am selecting Aqua White and click on save. Now the toolbar options. There are default scroll, default spread, zoom, language, page mode and a lot of visibility settings. In the default scroll, you can select vertical, horizontal, wrapped or flip. If you want the flip mode, you need to select flip here. The default spread is either odd, even or no spread. You can choose as per your need. The default zoom is auto, page speed and many others. Select whatever you need, whatever suits you. The viewer language, here you can find hundreds of languages. The default is select to English US, you can put it or change it if you need. The page mode is either bookmarks, thumbnails, or attachments. It will be shown in the left sidebar of the viewer. If you select bookmarks, the viewer will show the bookmarks. If you select thumbnail, the viewer will show thumbnails. You can turn all the toolbar elements on or off from here. Like if you don't want to give the download option to the visitors, you can turn it off from here and click save. Now when you see the viewer page, you can see it still have the download button, but when you reload it, it should be gone. Still there because the individual viewer page has the download button turned on. Let's turn it off. Go to your viewer page first. Here, this is my viewer page. Click on edit, and from the toolbar elements you can see the download is on. So if the download is on from here, and if you turning off from your global settings, it will take this action as priority. So turn it off and click on update. Now when I reload this one, you can see the download button is gone. In the global settings, you will find all of these options to turn off or on. If you think you don't want to show, turn it off. You want to show, then you need to turn it on. In the advanced tab, you will find these two options, which we say do not touch or do not delete. If you have any problem or if you face any kinds of issue or any 404 errors, our support team will ask you to do a specific action, but before that, do not touch these settings. In the right click on viewer pages, if this is enabled, then you can see my right click is working. But if I want to hide the right click and hide the page source, then I need to disable it. If I disable it and click save, you can see now my right click will not work after I reload this page. Here you can see my right click is not working anymore. Now this is the option of copying or Ctrl+C or Command+C from the keyboard. If I disable it, the Command-C or Ctrl+C from keyboard will not work. In the custom CSS or JS, you can put any kind of custom CSS or JS if you want, or you can keep it as it is. The next tab is add-ons or integrations. PDF Viewer for WordPress has some amazing add-ons, like the display add-on, which shows the PDF as a bookshelf, like the Elementor add-on, which is used for Elementor Builder, and Divi, Avada, WPBakery, all used for the specific builders to make the process easier. Also, WP Files Manager is an add-on of PDF Viewer for WordPress, which restricts the access to the PDF files you upload on your WordPress website. The next option is export or import. You can export all the global settings and even take the backup and import whenever you need from this tab. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.